The ability to share information with people that are interacting with the disaster, with the response in preparation for an activity, say a special security event to protect a foreign dignitary. These sorts of things require that the people that are doing those operations are really situationally aware all the time.
Being able to access these web services, being able to make sure that only the right person is accessing a web service, only the right data is being provided to that user is an extremely important aspect. So the security thread was definitely something that we wanted to see exercised in OWS-9.
This scenario illustrates technological advances that provide timely integration, conflation, access, discovery, and sharing of protected information during emergencies from the OWS-9 CCI, SSI, and innovation threads. The situation is triggered by a hurricane requiring coordination of the evacuation and relocation of a person of interest to Monterey. An operator examines the predicted progression of the hurricane and shares it via OWS Context, a document with references to OGC services that other centers can use to seamlessly replicate the information in their environment. After verifying the data, the operator initiates a situation response. Evacuate the person of interest. The latest up-to-date information is needed. A new source of timely information originates from social collaborative platforms, where volunteers acting in an organized manner capture or process data from the area of interest. This information is known as volunteered geographic information or citizen data. Some of this data, such as Twitter feeds, lack location information. In OWS-9, a web processing service was set up to use gazetteer data to resolve the location of Twitter feeds. Integrating VGI data with traditional geospatial information results in an enhanced operational picture. The person of interest security team gets a situation notification via OWS Context. The data is loaded in a geo package for dissemination to field personnel, allowing for convenient access to information on their mobile devices. With GeoPackage, data can be updated on their mobile device and later synced with the data sources once connectivity is re-established. GeoPackage data can be combined with other data, such as satellite imagery or elevation. It can be updated with obstructions or pictures. It can also be encrypted and protected. Based on all of this information, the person of interest is safely flown to Monterey. In Monterey, a secured government building is needed to temporarily house the person of interest. Since government building information is often privileged, a security policy is created to ensure restricted access and discovery of certain features. The person of interest security team are authorized based on their roles to access specific information. For access to other critical information, the security team relies on additional cross-community interoperability solutions advanced in OWS-9, such as a web service facade to translate between protocols, and a semantic mediation broker to query across domains, for example, filtering features from USGS using NGA rules. Last, a conflation workflow resolves overlapping and complementary road data from different sources. All these solutions ensure that the information needed by the security team has been reviewed, mediated, filtered, and conflated, enabling them to identify the temporary relocation building and successfully complete the rescue mission.